How to disable YouTube AI dubbing on Android. Hey everybody, in this tutorial I'll show you guys how you can easily turn off the automatic dubbing on your YouTube channel. The first thing you're going to have to do is open up your YouTube application on your web browser. So go to your web browser, open up a new tab, and then simply go to youtube.com. Hit enter, and you'll open up your YouTube account right here. Now you're just going to have to go ahead and turn on the desktop site. But before that, you can tap on the three lines at the top right, and then you'll find the option to enable desktop site. Tap on this checkbox, and your desktop site will be enabled. Now, just find your profile icon at the top right corner of your screen. I'll just go ahead and tap on it. And from here, you can go to YouTube Studio. Tap on YouTube Studio. Once you land on the YouTube Studio page, you'll find your channel dashboard. So on the left side, you'll have different options like your dashboard, your content, analytics, captions, and more. Scroll all the way to the bottom, and on the bottom left corner of your screen, you'll have your settings or the gear icon. Just tap on it. And once you open up your settings, go to the channels option, and here you'll find your basic info, advanced settings, and features eligibility. I'm going to go to advanced settings here, and you can change your audience from here. Then you'll have automatic caption. So right below the automatic caption, if you have the auto dubbing feature on your channel, or if YouTube has given you that feature, you could just go ahead and turn the auto dubbing off just like this. I currently do not have that feature because my channel is not big enough, but if you have that option, you could just go ahead and change it and disable it from here. And don't forget to tap on the save icon, and then you should be good to go. So that's pretty much it, guys. I hope this tutorial was helpful. I'll catch you guys on the next one.